my God.
Please answer that, that's your mom. Please answer that, that's your mom. Please answer that, that's your mom. Please answer that, that's your mom.
Hello?
Paul, Marshall.
Hey, mommy, what's
Not
up?
a thing, where you there?
But they work.
Oh, so it's what I'm doing, your brother. He might tell me say some little argument.
Why me and him not argue?
So if you and him not argue, why you not answer him phone call?
Because I'm busy and I work.
But when me just call the answer for me,
Mommy,
right?
because it's you that's why I'm going to pick up and I know say you just a call to see how I'm doing.
Listen to me, man. You see whatever I'm going to fix it,
Mommy,
right?
me and him don't have anything,
now.
mommy.
I forget the tone, I forget which part I come
Mommy,
from.
I don't forget where I come from.
I have one mind for take the two on the head and connect it together. For bring back on the damn memory so I can remember which part I come
Mommy,
from.
why you call him and tell him to call me and apologize for whatever happened? Or you know say it's my fault?
Because it's you, it's always you. Only look at young pitney don't want to listen to no bigger brother and sister.
Mom,
shut up! You hear me? A box mega box sit down. You better call him and apologize to him.
Yes, ma'am.
No call him 5 minutes from now and later. Call him.
Yes, ma'am.
Now. You hear me?
Okay, ma'am.
No.
All right.
Goodbye.
Oh.